Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keki Singh, GG Leader Agra, and I'm a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So in my last video, I discussed import range, and I fetched the data from three different spreadsheets. So we'll move to our Google sheet to show you once again, or give the glance of or the glimpse of the last video or last task or last discussion. So this is my sheet where I have imported the sheets from three different spreadsheets whose URLs are here. One URL, second URL, and third URL. From these three spreadsheets, I have fetched the data, and this data is stored in three different sheets. One sheet, then after, because one spreadsheet or one sheet occupies 1000 rows. So this way, if I fetch the data from three different spreadsheets, it means the result sheet occupied 3000 rows. So how to minimize these rows? Here the query plays the role. Query, if I talk about the query, then SQL comes into mind. So SQL is a structured query language which is used to apply query functions to fetch the data from big database. And similarly, I'm here to minimize the space of these three sheets, because on every sheet there are only 10 records, and out of 1000 rows, 999 rows go wasted. So I'll have to reduce the space which occur due to the import range. So how to apply or how to reduce this space? I'll use query and SQL function of Google Sheets. So how to apply SQL? So first I'll have to apply query function here. So see here, this is the import range, the first sheet, and this is the second, and this is the third. So there are three spreadsheets I have imported, and you know uh, every sheet is occupying only 10 rows, and 990 rows are waste. So I'll have to reduce this. So now I am going to apply query function here. So how to apply query function? Equal, and I'll type query. So the help shows query. The first parameter is data, means I have already fetched the data from different spreadsheets. So my data requirement is over here. Then I'll put the comma. So as soon as I put comma, it asks for the query. So apply the query. So query, SQL query will be embedded within double quotes. Okay. So I am putting the double quotes here, and in double quotes, I write select. Either you use call 1, call 2, call 3, or you can use column names like A, B, C, D, as the columns are here. These are the columns. Or you can use the assist, the wildcard, to include all the columns of the spreadsheet or the sheet. So I'm using asterisk sign. And along with this, I'll use where to put a condition, because SQL is meant for query only. So query is applied using where clause. So I'll use where, then what should be the condition? My condition should be there should not be any row null, or any row has a null value. So where column 1 or column 1 or A is not null. So my query is completed. And after that, I'll have to mention how many lines are there in the headers. Your spreadsheet might have multiple lines header or single line header. My spreadsheet or my sheet is having only single line header. So I'll give one here, and as soon as I give one and close parenthesis and press the enter, you'll see the amazing result. See here, the data from all the three sheets is dumped into only one sheet and without any gap. And one for most advantage of using query and SQL is if you insert any record in any of the spreadsheets like spreadsheet 0, spreadsheet 1, spreadsheet 2, that record will be reflected in the result sheet. For example, suppose I am going to give a record here, for example 2221, and my I'm giving a name, say Sunita Rajput. So one record I have inserted, and you'll see Sunita record 20221 record will be inserted in the result sheet also. You'll see the reflection. So this is changed dynamically. So this is the sheet. Now see, this is the record inserted without any gap, and all the records are intact. So this way, I think query and SQL functions, these two functions play a very vital role while handling the data of the Google Sheets. Hope you like that this trick and these two functions, query and SQL. So many more to come. So I'll discuss those functions in my next video. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the video as and when it is created. So we'll meet in the next video. And if you have any query, kindly let me know. If you put your query in my description box or my videos description box, if I see your query and the statement or suggestion, any suggestion, then I'll work accordingly. So meeting in the next video. Till then, bye bye.